Okay, your next plant is number 81 on your list. This is Thuja occidentalis, eastern arborvitae. So what you see behind you, this is a great use for Thuja occidentalis. They form a nice, tall, dense hedge, and it's a nice plant for screening. It's a nice plant for a windbreak, and it's quite hardy. There's not a ton of problems with it other than it does have some issues with spider mites. But some easy ways to identify this plant in the landscape. It forms these sprays of small branchlets, has minute scale-like leaves. There are no stomatal bands on either side, but on the facial leaf on the very top there is a small gland that produces secretions there. So other ways to identify it again in the landscape, it's going to have more horizontal sprays, whereas if you encounter oriental arborvitae, it has vertical sprays. Also, the fruit, which you see none of in the shot here, but the fruit of Thuja occidentalis, or the cones of Thuja occidentalis, are just like we see in Thuja plicata, your western red cedar. They look like small rose buds that are starting to open up. So they're held upright, so in that sort of oval rosebud shape, as opposed to the round woody cones that we see in Chamaecyparis, for instance. So take a look at your slides, and that's Thuja occidentalis.